Hey everybody, this is Meyer, and in this video what we're going to be doing is creating this kind of weird gated pad sound. Very classic trance. Cool. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to go ahead and clone our init patch. And what I'm going to do in this sound is I'm going to first create a normal pad. So what I'm going to do is go under the Hypersaw and choose Hyperstereo 8. Bring the sustain up, none of this dynamic bass for now. And what I am going to do is take what the pad is playing here and just basically going to duplicate this. So if I insert a channel, we're going to just put this in here. Did I just do that right? Nope. Oh, here it is. Haha. I'm just going to make this unique, and I'm going to call this gated pad. And my attention to detail, I guess, is as such. So there we go. We have our new sound here, which is going to be the gated pad. So we're just going to cut this here and just call this gated pad. So go ahead and give it, I guess, a sort of pad-like color, whatever that is, and kind of show that we're going to be kind of gating it. So let's go ahead and solo this sound. So I'm going to route this to the mixer so I can easily solo it. Here is my gated pad. So the first thing, of course, is we're going to bump this up an octave. I knew we were going to need to do this. This oscillator we're going to turn to some noise. This really helps when you're doing the actual gating. So we're just going to choose noise white. And for this oscillator, I'm going to use something up another octave, but I'm going to do something a little different, something that'll add a little bit of color. So under vocal, and I do want this LFO to be modulating this. So let's go ahead and start doing this. We're going to use the glitch sequencer, and we're going to use this gate. So this will allow us and just kind of have some fun with it. And one of the things that's really important when you do this is that all the notes are re-triggering at the same time. So that's why we're going to chop it like this. Every time we play a new set of notes, I'm not sure how happy I am. Because of the gate and because of the way that it's re-triggering, it's going to be better if we kind of add that space in with the effects. So that's what we're going to do with the effects. Reverb, medium. Delay. We'll just use classic. So let's see how this may sound here in the breakdown. Go ahead and map the filter to the mod wheel. And I think for this effect, we can just use a phaser. This Krautrock phaser actually sounds pretty good. So let's use that, and let's use this down here to kind of create this, create the kind of fade in part that we're going to need it to have so it actually meshes well with the rest of the track. So. Yeah, I don't even think it's needed. You definitely don't need it in the drop, but it is interesting. It is interesting to have at different points. Awesome. Sounding pretty good.